Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing my empties with you. Something I've never done on my channel before. I'm going to be showing you the makeup and skincare products that I've finished up, and I'll be letting you know if I will be repurchasing them or not. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in hearing, then keep on watching. So the majority of what I'm going to be showing you, the majority of my empties are skincare items, which makes sense, right? Because those are items I use every day. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure if they're doing anything or if they're working. But just in case they are, I'm using them. So the first thing is not a new item. It's something I've been using for probably at least 2 years now. And it's from The Ordinary. And it's the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. And this is an item that I credit with, I had a lot of dark hyperpigmentation, discoloration on my chin and around my mouth. And it may have just been because I was using products that was irritating my skin, I'm not sure, because over the years, I haven't been very knowledgeable, or I haven't been very attentive to what my skin likes and doesn't like, and then when it breaks out, I'm not sure why. So recently I've been trying to pay more attention to that, and I started using this because it has niacinamide in it, and that's supposed to help with blemishes and discoloration. And lo and behold, that darkness and discoloration lightened up significantly. So not positive that this is what did it, or if I just stopped using some product that I didn't know was darkening my skin, but I've been using it ever since. And yeah, and I like it, and The Ordinary is very affordable, and I use it twice a day. I use it in the morning and at night, and I haven't had any adverse effects, and yeah, I like it. So I do have a backup that I just opened, and I will continue to use this. The next skincare item that I have finished is from Pharmacy, and it is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. And this is an item that I more recently picked up and started to use near the end of last year. I got it on sale at Sephora, and because it has 2% BHA, which is salicylic acid, and The Ordinary discontinued the salicylic acid serum that they used to carry, that I really feel like helped my breakouts, my acne. So I went on ahead and got this. It's a toner that you can use. It's an alcohol-free toner that you can use day and or night. And it gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping skin. And yeah, I was using it for the longest time in the morning and at night, and now that it's winter time, I did notice that my skin has been dry, which it does get a little dry during the winter. I'm still oily now, don't get it twisted, but it does get a little dry in the winter time, and so I have recently stopped using it at night, and I only use it in the morning. They suggest when you use this in the morning that you do use a sunscreen as well. And I feel like since using this, like I have, you know, like, I don't know, like little white stuff is coming out, like my pores and stuff. I don't know if this is doing it and if that's a good thing or not. But I've been using it, and I did go ahead and purchase another bottle because I like salicylic acid. Again, it doesn't prevent breakouts, but I do feel like it kind of helps with my acne. So I finished this one, and I did go ahead and purchase another one. From Good Molecules, I finished up the Super Peptide Serum. And this is the peptide serum that I normally would get from The Ordinary. And I don't know, one day I went on Beautylist. You can only get Good Molecules from Beautylist, and decided to try some items from the Good Molecules line. brand, so I went on ahead, and I think it's like a couple of dollars less than The Ordinary. And you know, again, not something that I'm sure is making a difference. It is formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Now again, I'm not sure if this is doing anything, to be honest with you. I think my skin still looks dull, especially in the wintertime. And the wrinkles, I don't feel like it's beating back any wrinkles. But, you know, it's one of those things that if it is in fact helping me at all, it doesn't irritate my skin. It's easy to apply. I apply it in the morning and at night. And, you know, just in case it is doing something useful and helpful, I continue to use it. I am out of this, and I believe I'm also out of it, yeah, in The Ordinary as well. So I will be purchasing another one. I don't know if it'll be from Good Molecules. Probably not. It'll probably be from Sephora and The Ordinary, but I will be repurchasing another peptide serum. From Peace Out, this is a brand I know nothing about. But I saw that they have an acne serum, and it is an acne clarifying treatment serum, helps treat, protect, and heal blemishes in 24 hours, and it too has 2% salicylic acid with niacinamide and zinc. So you see the pattern here, right? Niacinamide, zinc, niacinamide. So it's actually nice. It has a pump, and it feels like a serum, a little thick, not a cream, but not watery. This is supposed to help cancel out your breakouts. It penetrates pores to eliminate blemishes and blackheads. Balancing niacinamide helps control oil and brighten the appearance of post-breakout dark spots, while hydrators keep skin moisturized. I use it in the daytime normally. For a little bit I had stopped using it, and then I started using it again, and now I'm out. I didn't realize I was practically out of it. And it has not prevented breakouts. So I have hormonal acne, and nothing has prevented that. But I do find, like, I have this lovely blemish right here. I do find that when I do have blemishes, this does help to dry them up more quickly. So it's very light, and yeah, so I will be repurchasing this. And finishing up in skincare, I have a sample of the Ulla Hendrickson Banana Bright Eye Cream. And this is a product that I have heard a lot about, and I've always been interested in it. I like bananas. And it's an eye cream, and it's supposed to be a brightening eye cream. This does not brighten my under eye, okay? So at this point, I don't expect, nor have I experienced any eye cream, and I've tried quite a few of them at this point, that has brightened my under eyes, okay? But I do like the consistency of this. It's not too thick. See, I would show it to you, but it's totally empty. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's just a nice consistency. It's easy to spread. You don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way. I do use it all over the eye. It's nice, and I do feel like my under eyes are hydrated and moisturized when I use it. And yeah, so I already did. I made an order on Sephora, and I did go ahead and purchase this in the full size. And in makeup, I only have 3 items. One of them is the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This is my setting spray that I've been using for a couple of years now, probably more than a couple of years. I have backups upon backups upon backups. Didn't even realize I had so many backups when I was buying more backups. I know for some people, they don't believe or for them, setting sprays do not help, do not do anything for them. But for me, I definitely notice a difference when I'm using this spray versus when I didn't use a setting spray. And this one in particular, because I've used other setting sprays that I feel like didn't do anything, and this is the first one I felt like did really extend the wear of my makeup. And since then I have used it. I've been interested in trying the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray because everyone talks about that one, but I have so many backups of this at this point, and this works for me, so I don't feel the need to try anything else at this point. I'm just gonna keep rocking with the tried and true, the one and only, the legend, the Urban Decay all-nighter. And then finally in makeup, I have used up the Born This Way concealers, the multi-use sculpting concealers. These are full bottles because I threw out my empty bottles before I knew that I was going to make an Empties video. But yeah, I did finish up. This is one in butterscotch, this is in chestnut, and I did finish a butterscotch and a chestnut. So these are the backups. And yeah, you've heard me talk about this concealer many times. I did also talk about it in my go-to brand video, the collab that I did recently with other ladies here on YouTube. And yeah, it's a tried and true. I have other concealers that I alternate with that I really like, but I feel like I will always come back to this one because it's full coverage, but it's not too drying or matte at all. It wears all day, and it spreads really easily. And yeah, it's a really nice concealer. So finished those up, and I'm now working on the backups, which I'll probably be working on. It took me over a year to finish the last tubes, so I suspect I'm gonna have these for at least the remainder of 2021. Let me know in the comments below, what are the items that you have finished up? Are they skincare items? Are they makeup items? Are they both? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing, because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.